Hey guys, it's week 10 of Fiber Gifts. Thanks for joining us again. Once again, product in here that is dear to my heart. I love this stuff to death. So this week 10 will be a punch needle kit. Of course, it has to be punch needle because I'm a punch needle person. I love to do it. This particular one is from Teresa's Primitives, and it's going to be, the total is going to be $32, and it's odd, 30 cents. Okay, but what I really like about this one is more than just an actual piece of fabric or punch needle. If you haven't punch needle, this one comes with a box, comes with material, and it has the best stuff, Valdani, which I truly love. It's great, variegated, does a really cool job because it makes its own design with the colors, nice shading, everything to make the whole kit. It's going to make a whole box. So, with the magic of television, this is the project. And so it says Faith, Hope, Love. It has a little sheep here, Christmas tree, well, Charlie Brown tree, let's just say that. Has a nice little box. You actually put the fabric on here, glue it on, looks really nice, trim, everything on here, and now you have actually a really, really nice gift, as well as putting a special note or something inside of this. These are really easy to do, folks. This is not something that's really, really hard, especially when you have a continual strand of the threads. So it is a great project. I'd get it as soon as you can so you can start on it so we can make something. I do have one thing to say, that we did a punch needle last year, and this does not include a needle. Does not. My needle. But you can have a needle, any needle will work, but it has to be a punch needle, okay? Valdani uses a small needle or a medium needle, either one. I would try the one you particularly care for. So you will definitely need that. The other thing that is actually not included, you will need a hoop of some sort to stretch the fabric, because if it's not taut like a trampoline, it won't work. So you will need a hoop of some sort to encompass it. And the design, probably about a 6-inch hoop in diameter would fit this. Purchase extra the needle, hoop, and then the kit comes with all the material and the actual box itself. So I think it's a great gift. I'd probably keep it for myself, but anyway, this is a good project. Thanks.